gumanda rin ang opensa nila para mabago naman nila yung tema ng kanilang partisipasyon. Nagbubunga para sa NU. Pero ngayon, finally, after a couple of errors, nakakuha ng mas maayos-ayos na second ball yung setter.
With yung sa capabilities ng utility or yung opposite hitter, usually kasi sa international, hindi na nagre-receive yung opposite and utility eh. Kasi they're
NU. Unforced errors.
Ideally, what I notice sa international, yung passing.
Tingnan natin, second set, kung may mga adjustment. If there's one AJ, no, kahit isa lang, ano yung unang uunahin? Giselle Agudia, nakaunang puntos doon ng Baguio dahil sa service error ni Jerel Singh. Pero Lisa Sato nakabawi para maging 1-all tayo, set number 2. Paran pumalo. Itong Summer Spikers, medyo kagulo na naman na opensa. Standing spike there and Singh hindi nakuha with the one hand.
Well, that's kind of an unforgivable error. Yung give it their all. Kasi hindi naman talaga expected to win. But if they're giving their best and mal-notice ng supporters nila that they're putting effort.
Sa mga kabubukas ng TV sets, top 4 lang ang aangat dito, no? Ang lalaban para sa ating semifinals. So, mas magaling sa atin.
But what's going for Baguio is they can brag na lahat ng players nila talagang galing sa Baguio. Na talagang homegrown.
That's true. And ganda ng opensa doon. One of the rare occasions.
Mababa yung first ball. Una, mararush yung setter, mararush yung spiker. So, hindi na efficient yung galaw nila.
Lahat kayo nagmamadali, ano?
Yes.
Minamani-mani lang ng NU ang Baguio. But you've got to admire yun nga, yung passion nila for the sport. And just for showing up. Be here and play against a team na sinabi na nga natin, ilang taon na naglalaro to si Jaja kasama tong ibang mga teammates niya. 66.
Going back, no, you gotta give credit sa Baguio, yung level of commitment nila with joining this league, no? It's not a joke.
Sa Baguio Summer Spikers na ball to Ordas. The cross is good. And for the Lady Bulldogs, we have to be honest about that. Tingnan nyo yung ating score. Pinakamalapit was 19 points in the second set para sa Baguio Summer Spikers. It was a sweep all the way. And NU